As we start the calculations for back timing for TSN, the first thing to do is to figure out what time the song that's currently playing is going to end. What I usually like to do is either come up with go ahead and just look at a time in the future, and I like to use an even number. So I'm going to use 4700, and exactly that time, which is right now, there was 158 left in the song. So I'm going to add those two times together. That's going to tell me what time this song is going to end. Now, I always like to keep my minutes and my seconds separate. Right now it's not a big deal, but it could be in the future. So 0 plus 58 is 58. 47 plus 1 is 48. Okay. Since we haven't gotten to 50 yet, I'm going to go ahead and add the time for the next song. The next song is 3 minutes and 37 seconds. Okay, 8 plus 7, 15. 1 plus 5 plus 3 is 9. And 48 plus 3 is 51. Now, this one's kind of tricky because right here, that's 95 seconds. There's actually just 60 seconds in a minute. So we are going to have to do some conversion. And what you are going to do is just take the 60 seconds away over here. So I'm just going to take 60 seconds away here, and I'm going to add the minute to the other side. So now it'll be 52. And then I have to do the subtraction, and it will be 35 seconds. Okay, now the wheel shows us that we always need a jingle. So we're going to add the 4-second jingle. It's kind of hard to read on here, but there's 4 seconds in that jingle. And that will make it over at 52:39. So that's what time everything that's going to play is going to end. Now we have to figure out how much time we have to fill. TSN comes on at 55. What we're going to write down is actually 54:60. And the reason we do that is because if you remember back to your elementary school math, the number on the top always has to be smaller than bigger than the number on the bottom. And I'm going to just go ahead and borrow the minute, that way I don't have to do that later. So I borrowed a minute from the minutes and I put the 60 seconds on the second side. Okay, then I'm going to subtract the answer that I got before. So minus 52:39. Let's do the math. We have to borrow from the 6, make it a 5. And that'll make that 10 minus 9 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. And then 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 5 is 0. So now we need to find a 2-minute and 21-second song. And that's going to get us exactly to TSN at 55:60.